Six Towns Radio. Amazing local presenters.
And the best local DJs.
Pleased to be and privileged to be given the award tonight. The torch will always remain in my heart and soul. It's great for it to be remembered and, if you will, honoured tonight. So I'm chuffed.
Tell us a little bit about your involvement in the torch. What you've done over the years.
Well, it started in 1965. We had all the great artists there. Led Zeppelin, Edgar Broughton, Black Sabbath, T-Rex. You know, I mean, these are names that you cannot believe played in Stoke at that time. And of course it became latterly known as a soul club, and the great artists that played there are part of local history. And Northern Soul is still alive and kicking, and thankfully I'm alive and kicking too.
And do you think it's such a massive part of Stoke-on-Trent? Do you think that it's because how well it was perceived back then that people are still sort of in love with it now, I suppose?
I think so, and I'd like to think that I've been part of that. At the end of the day, it's the public, the punters, if you will, that make that, and the DJs. And Northern Soul is still alive and kicking, and Stoke-on-Trent, they say, has more soul played in it than Detroit. So, you know, who am I to judge?
And have you still got the moves?
Well, a bit creaky. But I can't do the backdrops anymore. I probably do, but I'd never give up.
That's fantastic. Well, congratulations on your award. Thank you.
Thank you.